Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I get through my hair and prepare it to be blow dried and straightened. So this is kind of like a curly hair routine, I guess you could say, but it's a curly hair routine getting you prepared and ready to blow dry and straighten your hair. So if you want to see how I kind of prepare my hair to blow dry and straighten, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to quick show you how I get through my curly hair. So the first thing that I do is I have my wide tooth comb and I just make sure that I go through my hair and get it all nicely combed out. I am not a professional or anything like that, you guys. I'm just simply showing you what I do to get through my curly hair after I shower and before I blow dry and straighten it. So I just make sure it's just all combed out everywhere. And the next thing that I do is I go in with this Olaplex number 6. I put a decent amount of this on my hands, like about a dime size or so. And I put about a dime size. Oh my god. Or so. And then I start from the bottoms of my hair and work my way up. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more because I had to dry off my hands. So I just put a little bit on my hands and go all the way through. So then once I do that, I'm now going to go in with my Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. And then I'm going to start on my ends again. I think I missed a few places as coloring my hair, but it's mainly good enough. The next thing that I do is I'm going to go in with this BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It is a heat protectant. And also, friends, make sure that you wipe off your hands first because your hands are going to be a little bit slippery due to all of the products that have already been put in your hair. Now I'm just going to spray my hair with this. I guess my eye I'm going to spray with it too. But this I do a lot of because it is a heat protectant and you can put it on when your hair is wet, and it's also, there's oils in here. And I will tell you guys, oh my gosh, my hair feels so beautiful after I use these products. And then I just ordered some, I think it was like silk press stuff to be able to have my hair like super silky straight, because I've never fully been able to get my hair like super silky. So I just kind of sprayed the outer and then I'm moving my hands through it to make sure that it gets kind of distributed throughout. But then I'm going to kind of part it, not crazy part it, but just different sections. And spray again. And yes, my hair is uneven because I have a lot of damaged hair and a decent amount of healthy hair, so it's kind of everywhere. Just make sure it's all nicely distributed in your hair. Pretty, pretty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the wide tooth comb again, and I'm just going to comb it all out so that it all gets distributed really nicely. My friend always tells me that I need to wear my curly hair, and to be honest, I would definitely probably use my curly hair a little bit more if it was a little longer, because you guys, for me, I'm not comfortable with it yet. I have to definitely work myself up to it, but in time. So now I'm going to comb the top. While I'm in the shower, I will also do a curly hair shower routine if you guys want. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a curly hair shower routine. In the shower, I do like to comb out my hair after I put conditioner in it because it makes it so much easier to get through after the shower, in my opinion. Alright friends, and that is pretty much how I get through my hair after the shower and prepare it for a blow dry. Let me know if you guys want to see a curly hair shower routine. I will definitely do that for you guys if you would like, so make sure to comment down below. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that I helped a little bit with how to kind of prepare your hair to blow dry and straighten it. Thank you friends so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.